If you're a fan of natural skincare or natural oils, these are the best oils for your skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video is a requested video. Someone requested I make a video on the best natural oils for skincare. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 best natural oils that are good for your skin. So if you're looking for the best oils to include in your skincare routine, like you want that blinding glow, and you definitely want to keep on watching because this oils is going to make your skin glow. So the first best oil for your skin is sunflower oil. So if you're a huge fan of natural oils or natural skincare, like you don't like additives in your skincare routine, you will know that sunflower oil is one of the best oils to add to your skincare routine if you want to achieve that soft, smooth, healthy, glowing skin. Like this sunflower oil is a plant-based oil. One thing I actually love about this sunflower oil is the fact that it's non-comedogenic. Like this particular sunflower oil is not going to cause you any form of breakouts or irritations on the skin. This is actually one of the best oils that can be used by all skin type and complexion. It's actually a very nice oil that can be used on both your face and your body. So if you're looking for a good face oil or body oil that will give you that glow effect on the skin, then you definitely need to reach out for sunflower oil. It's not going to clog your pores. It's going to help moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and give you that supple, healthy, radiant looking skin. You're going to love the glow effect of this sunflower oil on your skin. It's also very good for people with aging skin, like if you have wrinkles, fine lines, or sagging skin. This particular sunflower oil is going to help reverse any form of aging signs on your skin. So if you're using the sunflower oil or you want to start using the sunflower oil, I would advise you get the organic sunflower oil or the cold pressed sunflower oil. The reason is that most of this already refined sunflower oil will not give you the same benefits as the natural or raw sunflower oil. So I will advise you buy the organic sunflower oil if you want to get the maximum benefits of sunflower oil. Like the organic sunflower oil does not contain any form of additives or preservatives in it, so it's going to give you the maximum benefits you need for your skin. So when it comes to using or applying your sunflower oil, just take small amounts of your sunflower oil and massage it into your skin. It's going to give you that healthy glow effect on the skin, and you're going to love it. So the next or second best oil for your skin is jojoba oil. I know a lot of you call it jojoba oil. It's one of the best natural oils to use on your skin. Like this jojoba oil have a lot of healing properties and benefits on the skin. Like this particular jojoba oil contains different antioxidants and it have antibacterial properties. Jojoba oil is one of the best oils that when you include it in your skincare routine, is going to remedy your dry skin because of how moisturizing it is on the skin. It's also going to help fight any form of aging signs on your skin. Like this is a good repair oil, and if you're someone with an oily or acne prone skin, like this should be your go-to body oil. Jojoba oil is going to help balance the amount of oil produced on your skin. So it's a very nice oil for people with oily skin because this oil is going to trick your skin and reduce excess oil on your skin. So jojoba oil is definitely a must-have oil in your skincare routine. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion, and is going to moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, make your skin feel soft, smooth, and well nourished. Like this jojoba oil is going to give you that amazing glow glowing skin. So the third best oil for glowing skin on my list is rosehip oil. So rosehip oil is one of the best oil to use in your skincare routine. Like this rosehip oil contains beta carotene and is going to make your skin glow. So rosehip oil is also another oil that will moisturize your skin and restore your skin's elasticity. So if your skin is already thinned out due to the use of bleaching products on your skin, like this particular rosehip oil is going to help repair your skin and give you that nourished, healthy looking skin. So one thing I actually love about rosehip oil is the fact that it's a good blending body oil. Like this rosehip oil is going to blend your skin and give you that uniform, even tone, healthy looking skin. It does not darken the skin. It's just going to help moisturize your skin and give you that radiant glow effect on the skin. Like rosehip oil is one of the best oils for people battling with dark spots, scars or blemishes on the skin. This oil is going to get rid of any form of blemishes or dark spots on your skin. You just need to be consistent with it. It's also very good in preventing premature aging and getting rid of aging signs on the skin. So rosehip oil is one of the best oils for your skin. Like this is an oil you should add or include in your skincare routine. So rosehip oil is one oil that is good for your skin. So the fourth best oil for glowing skin on my list is grapeseed oil. So as far as skincare is concerned, grapeseed oil is by far one of the best oils for your skin. Like grapeseed oil is one of the best oil that is suitable for all skin types and complexion, especially for those with an acne prone skin. Like grapeseed oil is going to give you that silky smooth skin. It's also very good for people battling with eczema. Like this is going to help treat your acne, get rid of your eczema and give you that smooth, soft, glowing skin. It helps to tone your skin, moisturize your skin and reduce any form of damages on your skin. Like this is one oil that you can use on both your face and your body. Like it's not going to clog your pores or give you acne breakouts on the skin. You're going to love the glow effect. It doesn't feel greasy on the skin and it absorbs in very fast. So the fifth best body oil that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is avocado oil. So this is also another amazing body oil that will help to moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, hydrate your skin and glow your skin. This avocado oil is very good for people with itchy skin. It's going to help calm your itchy skin, reduce any form of inflammation or redness on your skin. This is also very good for people with wounds. This is also a very nice oil to use in your skincare routine if you have any form of wounds or scars on your skin. It's going to help speed up your healing process. And if you're someone with an extremely dry skin or during the harmattan period you do have all those cracked feet, then you definitely need to opt in for this avocado oil. It's going to moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, nourish your skin and give you that supple glowing skin. You're going to love the effect on your skin. Like this avocado oil is one oil you can actually use without using a body lotion. So the bonus oil that I'm going to be talking to you guys about, because of how popular it is coconut oil. So if I'm not mistaken, a lot of people are already using coconut oil in their skincare routine. Like this is one popular natural oil that is very good for your skin. Coconut oil have little to no fragrance. So if you don't want to stress yourself looking for the other body oils that I've mentioned, you should just get coconut oil and use on your skin. Is one amazing oil. It's going to make your skin feel soft, smooth and glowing. So coconut oil is actually a very nice oil to add to your skincare routine. Like this oil is going to give you that soft, smooth, younger, healthy looking skin. However, if you're using or you want to start using coconut oil in your skincare routine, I would advise you use it only for your body and not your face. Like, this is a very nice oil and it's going to help smoothen your body. Like, this is a very nice body oil, but it's not good for the face because it is comedogenic. It's going to cause you breakouts on the face. So if I'm to group these natural oils that I mentioned into face and body oils, I would say all those oils can be used on your body. But if you want the ones for face, you can only use your sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, or rosehip oil for your face. The rest should be strictly used as a body oil. So if you want to get maximum benefits with your natural oil, I would advise you buy the organic form of this oil or the cold pressed form, because most of these oils in your cosmetic store is already processed, so some of them might not give you the benefits that you will get from a raw organic oil. So I would advise you look for people that sell organic sunflower, jojoba, jojoba, or avocado oil. So now let's talk about how to use a body oil. So if you're using a body oil in your skincare routine, immediately you come out from the shower, you want to go ahead and apply your body lotion first. But if you're the type that doesn't use a body lotion, then you can go ahead and apply your body oil directly into your skin. But if you use a body lotion, you want to apply your lotion first, then go ahead to apply your body oil immediately after you have applied your body lotion. So I know some of you will still come to the comment section and ask me, Judith, can I pour my body oil into my body lotion? Well, personally, I will not advise you do that, except you have an extremely dry skin, or if you're using an extremely lightening body lotion, like you want to dilute the effectiveness of your body lotion, then you can go ahead and pour some of your body oil into your body lotion. So you can choose any way that works for you and apply your oil. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.